coming up, I wanted to share with you some of my favorite dresses or outfits that I have that are vintage and would be great for holiday parties or the big day itself on Christmas or Christmas Eve, family gatherings, anything like that, holiday parties at work, whatever. Yeah, so I just wanted to like kind of show you my favorites of my wardrobe and maybe give you some ideas for yours. So let's get started. This first one that I'm wearing right now is from Voodoo Vixen, and it's just basically a red and green, you know, you can't get more Christmas than that, plaid dress with the beautiful red belt, great detail on the sleeves with a red button, but the most beautiful thing about this dress is this bow on the shoulder, which is the same pattern. It also has a bow piece underneath that's just the red, and it's just this big bow that lays on the back and front on your shoulder, and it really sets off the dress. I mean, this is what, I mean, I love the dress anyway, but this bow really set it off for me. And the red belt is a great, obviously, like, element of it as well. It has pockets. Yeah, so this is my newest dress. This, especially that's the holiday kind of vibe to it. It was in my recent LA haul that I got, that I filmed. And yeah, I mean, this is just a Christmas stunner. I started off with the strongest one. So my next dress that I think would be good for like a holiday event or anything like that is a dress that you just saw recently that I took on my Ireland trip with me, and that's this Miss Candy Floss plaid dress with these bows, these glorious bows, and this beautiful like cutout in the chest. You can see there. And again, it has these sleeve details that both of these dresses have that are just gorgeous with the orange with the bow. This one doesn't come with a belt or anything, but it's got a lot going on here, so that's plenty. And yeah, it's not red or green, but it's a little bit, this is Christmas, and this is something a little more understated, but the orange is like, you know, a fall winter color, so I think it still works for those kind of occasions. So the next dress is a little bit more understated than this one as well, but it's definitely Christmas color, and that's this dress that I got. Look at that shimmer. It's so gorgeous. This dress that I got from Revival Retro Boutique in London, and those buttons, I don't know if you can really see, but they're kind of like crystally looking, so they really have a shine to them. And the rest of this dress, the fabric is just so gorgeous. But there's not a lot to it, but it's gorgeous. It kind of has a really nice gathering here at the waist. It has pockets, a zip side. Yeah, so it's not too loud, but it just shimmers a little bit and it's just beautiful for like a really classy holiday party. So the next dress is kind of a complementary dress to the green one I just showed you, and that's this all red dress with black belt, black trimming all over everywhere. Has even the trimming down on the bottom. Beautiful fabric, feels great. That beautiful Christmas red. I got this it's by Shein, S-H-E-E-N. I got this in a vintage inspired store in Belfast, which I'll be visiting again. And yeah, it's just, you know, Christmas color, but not quite this. So I think this would be another great holiday dress. So the last outfit is a little bit different. To move away from just the classic dresses, I thought of this pencil skirt that I've had forever. I got it from Goodwill. What's the brand? Blass Sport by Bill Blass, and this has been on the channel a few times. It has other colors in it too, but there's green, red, blue, yellow, so there are a lot of it could be holiday-ish for sure, but red is very prominent on there, so that helps. And you can pair this with a lot of neutral stuff. For example, this Voodoo Vixen top, this cream top would be a good look for it, or maybe a sparkly cardigan that's a neutral color. That'd be great too for any kind of Christmas event. Okay, so those are some of the items in my closet that I think would work really well for holiday events coming up. And obviously, if you don't have these exact dresses, you find something similar if you do like them. Yeah, and it's just in time for all of these fun events. Hopefully we can fit into them after we've had all of our Christmas yummy food. So, but that's something to worry about later, I guess. Yeah, so if you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!